Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Lovely, beautiful sunny day here in Darwin. So, a little bit of a channel update. I got the little Golf going. Simple fix. It was like the little capacitor that comes off the brush motor. It was slightly bent down, and I think it was making contact with the magnet. So it sort of just nullified the car. It didn't fry the car, nothing cooked, everything's good. All I had to do was just budge a few little cables, or one cable, little nudge, and she come back alive. So, little Golf, little ripper. I'll show you that in a soon. But today, I've got some updates. I've got a 3D printer. I've gone down the rabbit hole. I've been sitting back watching for a few years, and they've all seemed fiddly, and you know, I'm not the biggest PC guru, you know. So I think it was last year, it's been out about a year I think, Bamboo Labs A1 Mini, or A1, and now they've brought out the A1 Mini. So they dropped the price, come down on special. I got it with two or three spools of filament delivered to Darwin for just over about 510 bucks. So I'll hopefully in the edit I'll add some still shots of the actual printer, so you get an idea of what I've done or what it looks like, and we'll show you today some of the things I've already printed. Now this thing is just, it's amazing. I'm blown away by the quality of the prints. I've had what, two failed prints out of about 60 or 70 prints I think I'm up to already now. And I think those two fails were pretty much my fault anyway, just putting in the wrong settings. So half the stuff you can just flip from your phone straight to the printer, all linked up wirelessly, or you can open up the Bamboo Labs app, get in the splicer, tinker, do a myriad of things you can do. That's the true rabbit hole. So today I'll flip the camera around. Here we go. So there's my new DJI Avatar, or Avata, Avata 2. Now look, deadly little 3D print, got the 3D printed little feet, little 3D printed stand. Now, it's flawless. There's no whispers of plastic or nothing. Now, let me just grab my little Tupperware container of all my goodies I've printed. Let's do a bit of a show and tell. All right. So, where will I start? Well, I started with the stand. Then you've got cable holders. So USB, you know, all your cables that you got lying around at home, thread your cable through there, flip the lid over, spin the windy, and there goes your cables all wound up. And the hinge, the mechanism, everything comes off the print plate, done. The locking mechanism, it's gypsy magic. I love it. There's that, what else? The typical little benchy that, you know, that everyone does straight off first time. Because I'm into the RC, I got max tracks, 1/10 scale, deadly. You got like little things like a G-clamp, totally functioning G-clamp. You know, it's not going to hold any torques or anything like that, but anything for the hobby grade, you put your finger in there and squeeze it, it'll hurt. Look at this true little thing, little planetary gear fidget spinner. Now that comes off the build plate, all done. All you've got to do is sort of wait for it to cool a little bit, and then put a bit of force on all the planetary gears, free them up as you hear that noise, and boom. It's just amazing. What else? I've put some grey in. I've done little I think these are 1/14 scale mini Kyosho Mini Z size. But as you see here, we'll put it up against the track. You know, you could probably go in a splicer and maybe splice that down to 80%. But that is a great concrete barrier. And everything's just on the site. Type in what you want. And you've got all these designers and creators that are just uploading things. How about this one? You've got a little articulated gecko. Now that comes off the print plate, complete. All locked in. The articulation is just amazing. So that's my little 3D print session, rant, introduction, over and done with. Let's move the drone over here. Now let's get into the cars. Slot cars. This week we have got a little Fiat Punto and a Porsche 911 Rally 4-wheel drive. Yeah, I'm really digging these 4-wheel drive Nincos. Like that little blue Volkswagen Golf. You can still drift it, but it just handles the track beautifully. So let's pop open the Fiat Punto. Now, God knows where whoever stored this did, but look at the plate is all warped, like it's been sitting in some hot room. The car seems fine, but this is my first Ninco that has ever come with a legit little pin representing the Catalunya Rally, or Costa Rica. Unreal. That little Fiat Punto, take him off, brand spanker, lovely little Ninco RACC livery, great yellow, pops on the track, unreal. 2-wheel drive. And then we've got the Porsche. Yellow as well, Pirelli livery. Oh my, Pirelli. No, loving it. So you got the co-driver in there holding his notepad. P0 Pirellis, representing, you know, one of the best race tyres, I suppose, on the market for many years now. Now both motors are, what do you call it, linear, straight. But this little fella's 4-wheel drive. As you see, you've got the belt drive going straight through. So let's put them on the track and see if we can get up to a few laps. And I'll put the Golf on as well. Alrighty, here we go. We got the little Fiat Punto on the track first up. Let's give her a crack, eh? So I'm going to try and do this one-handed and drive as well. So bear with me. Let's see what sort of footage we can get. Not bad. She's first of all, there we go. We've got our first spill. Jinx myself, of course, but no, she's handling all right. Let's adjust the little braids a little bit. A little bendy, one-handed. Loving that livery though. Just pops. I've been cleaning that track up too. I'm about 3/4 of the way through it. It's been great. So yeah, that little Fiat Punto, I'm loving the little rally cars at the moment. Alright, let's redeem ourselves from the other day and give the little Volkswagen Golf a crack. So this was my first 4-wheel drive, Sony livery. A little bit noisier being 4-wheel drive, but you know, it's all character, isn't it? Hey, there we go, 4-wheel drive, doesn't mean you can just flog it. Not like RC cars where you can just bang it through corners. You've still got to, you know, feather the throttle. Ah, silly me. One-handed, I'm playing with my other wrong hand. But that's the Golf. She's all come alive. Let's move over to the Pirelli Porsche. Alrighty. Four-wheel drive as well. On the track. Really taking it easy. Oh, thought I was. That's the one benefit of Carrera. You know, you can set a ghost car going and bloody get some great filming and stuff. So, analog, she's old school. But no, for the first time it's touched the plastic, not too bad. Haven't got lap tracker set up today, but we're not cutting fast laps. Haha, good finish. We'll end on that note. Yeah, so no, all's good. Everything's going well. I'm going through that printing nut phase, so hopefully next video too, I'll give you some more DJI Avata 2 footage. Just out here in my lovely block. I've done a bit of mowing, so at least now if I lose the drone, it won't be bloody too many snakes out there I have to tend with. But no, thanks. Got some more new subscribers. Coops, Nathan, Keith. Who else? Let me just open my phone. I don't want to keep missing people out because I only get a few subscribers, so I want to mention them. Yeah, Keith, Coops, Nathan, legends, mate. Thanks for coming along and enjoying the ride. I'm up here in Darwin. Slot cars, RCs, drones, anything fun. As you see by my profile, I'm a consumer of all things fun. Cheers, guys. See you next time.